how's everybody doing? How about we do yes, I know. I've got a little facial mask on here. That's how I roll with these videos. It's the real me. Why am I not talking with my mouth very well? I don't know. Okay, enough. How about we get ready? I'm gonna do a really simple, everyday, drugstore, easy makeup look. So let's go. Okay, before I go in with my foundation, I like to put a little facial oil on my skin. So today I'm using the Milani Prep and Brighten Rose Face Oil, and I like to press it into my face because I go in after moisturizer. I don't want it to pill up on me, so that's why I press it in. I believe it gives me that better glowy look. So for Drugstore Foundation, I'm going with the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup today. It has an SPF of 20. And I really like this foundation. How I normally put this on, as you can see here, is when I'm in a hurry on a day, I just like to put it on my face with my fingers, rub it all in, get it all smoothed out, and then with a damp beauty blender just pat it in and make sure that gives me that natural glowy look but good coverage on my skin. So that's what I do. I just pat it in, and it also helps to absorb any of the excess makeup that I had on there. Now I go in with a NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is in the color Espresso, and I don't have bad brows, but I find that as I age, my hairs are sparser. So I'm just going in and filling in where I'm not necessarily missing, but where it's a little bit thinner, just to have a more even look in my brows. I love the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. This is the trio that comes with a bronzing powder, a contour powder, and a brightening powder. And I always go in with the brightening powder right under my eyes, and sometimes I even sculpt out the face with it or use it to cover up. But I always use the brush that comes with it and use the middle shade, the contouring powder. I did get a little bit high today, as I noticed while I'm editing this, but the look turned out okay. So I usually go in with that brush that it comes with, contour a little bit, and then brush it out a little bit. Whatever's left, I put all over my face. I go in with the deepest shade for bronzing. And on a simple day like today, when I want to look put together but I want to hurry out of here, I just put the bronzing powder all over where the sun touches, even on my cheeks. And sometimes this is enough. I don't have to go in with blush. Oh, look at those earrings. Aren't those pretty? My sister-in-law gave me those for Christmas. So to complete my brows, I do go in and set with the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. This is in the darkest color, and I really like this stuff. It sets them, and they don't go anywhere. For a simple everyday look, you cannot go wrong with the Maybelline Single Shadow in Nude Glow. I find the best way to put this on my lids, because I have hooded eyes, is to just use my finger, put them on the lids, put it under my eye for a little bit of glow under my eye, and then buff it out with a shadow brush. And it just looks so pretty. It's a little bit of glow to your eyes. It gives you a little bit of classy look without having too much makeup on, but you do feel put together, and I just really like this shadow. There's a couple of shadows that I like. I have hooded eyes, so the best way for me to get that angled look is for me to just clean up on the edges with my fingers. The blush that I'm using is the e.l.f. Pressed Mineral Blush in Sweet Retreat. This is a really pretty natural look, and I always love the glow that the L'Oreal Visible Lift blush gives. This is in the color Rose Gold, and I don't put highlighter on with this because I feel that this gives a glow to that natural mineral blush. It looks very, very healthy. You can't go wrong with the Jordana 12-hour Made to Last liquid eyeliner pencils. This is in black, and I just try to darken up the line there where my lash line is, and then I'll go in and smudge it out. It gives me a little bit of a smokiness to my eyelashes, makes my eyelashes a little bit thicker looking, and this is just something that I love to do if I have a little bit of extra time, just to like put that little smoky look out there under the lashes too. Now, am I a little extra going in with 2 mascaras? Probably so. My favorite mascara right now is the Ulta mascara, the Maximum Lashes. I use this to separate and coat my lashes, and then I go back in with the Voluminous, the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise to have for a little bit of volume, and that look was because when I opened up the mascara, it was a little, I think this is at the end of its lifetime, because it was a little thick and cakey on there. As you can see, I always get a little bit of mascara on my eye, but I'll go back in and clean that up. I do love putting mascara on the bottom line, bottom lashes of my eyes. I do think it opens it up because I have hooded eyes. I think just makes my eyes look a little bit bigger. And finally, we're going in for some lip color. I say love a little bit loosely. I really enjoy this Hydra Silk Lip Butter from Flower Beauty. This is in the color, I don't know what color this is in, natural or nude, but this is just so pretty. It's got a little bit of a rosy hint to it, and it is very, very silky and very butter-like. And these Covergirl lip glosses are so pretty. There's a little bit of shine, really natural. I don't know what color this is. I'll link it below. You just go in, you let that dry, you go in with a Q-tip, and it cleans it all up. Here's my final look. I think it's a very glowy, natural, goofball look for me. Thanks for watching. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas and your 2019 is full of blessings. Mwah! Come back and see me again. Bye!